Hi, welcome to today's how-to video segment. My name is Robert Jefferson. Today we're going to be taking a look at the proximity key for the 2021-2022 Hyundai Konas. Today's video is me predicated on the proximity key, which is different from the keyless entrance. One of the differences with the proximity key is I can go ahead, swipe right here to lock, and insert my hand into the door handle to unlock my car. With the button, I would have to press the black button located on the door. I would one press, or I would have to press again to lock my car. Currently, our Kona is set up on one touch to unlock mode, which means I've just got to go ahead one time and I can unlock all four doors. With the two press to unlock, as they call it, you would have to 2 times insert your hand into the door handle to unlock all 4 doors. You can lock and unlock your car from the passenger door as well using the proximity key. That's lock, this is unlock. To enable our 2 press to unlock, we would have to go to the gear icon. Under the gear icon, we have to go to door, and we can go ahead and enable 2 press to unlock. This concludes today's video. Please go ahead, like and subscribe, and as always, comment down below and let us know if you've got any questions so we can provide more how-to videos.